Sally Goodman, one of 3 Goodman siblings. The other 2 are John and Henry Goodman. Lately, freaky things have been happening to us. First, John gets haunted by some insane ghost hag. Then, a freaky mutant girl's face is staring through Henry's living room window. I pray to God that something wouldn't happen to me, but no, something just had to happen. Anyways, on with the story. I really don't have long. I had just moved into an apartment that day. I was unpacking all my things. I discovered that there was a small storage room in my apartment, so I started to put stuff in there. Then I noticed something on the floor. A flash drive? The last guy who lived here must have left it. I was curious as to why it was left sitting there in the storage closet and also what was on it. Who's gonna know? I opened the drive and started exploring. It was basically empty except for one file. It was named Knob.exe. I opened up the file and a new window popped up. It was a game. It seemed to be a platformer game. You controlled the stick figure thing and guided him through the levels. It just went right to the first level. At one point, random strangers walking on the sidewalk in the game noticed the stick figure and shouted bloody murder. After that, the figure ran up to them and strangled them to death. When I got to level 5, instead of a street, the stick figure was standing inside a storage room. Oh my god. My heart skipped a beat when I realized where it was. It was a perfect replica of the building I found the flash drive in. I didn't want to even get near the thing, but I couldn't control my body. It was just a dream. Thank God. There was a message saying the game has crashed. I then remembered the map that the thing showed me in my dreams. So I decided to look it up. It appeared to lead to some pond in the middle of nowhere. I decided to go check it out tomorrow. No need to rush into it. I'm still really tired. The next day after breakfast, I got a ride from a friend to the pond.
You sure you don't want me to stay? I don't mind.
No, I'll text you later, okay?
Alright, later then.
I skipped some rocks for a few minutes, wandered around. Not having much reason to stay, I started to text my friend. But then I saw something out of the corner of my eye.
What happened? You look like a ghost.
Drive!
What happened?
Just drive!
Okay, okay.
When I got home, I found a USB drive and smashed it into pieces. I thought smashing it might help me forget about it, but I could still see that terrifying smile on the monster's face.
In other news, several sightings of a horribly mutant humanoid figure wandering the streets of the city has been reported. The supposed witnesses say it's a pale figure, hunched over like a gorilla, vicious claws, and an expression of pure malice and insanity on its face. Some witnesses report seeing it strangle some people to death seemingly at random. It would be easy to dismiss these claims as a sick joke if it wasn't for the sudden disappearances of several people. Bodies have been found in the Lockhart Forest recently. All of them have been strangled. Stay tuned for more information.